So this stuff right here, it actually works very well, and as you can see, it already did this side and it came out crystal clear. I know my siding needs to be done too. Looks bad, but it took off everything. But I had to use the electric pressure washer, and it actually works well. Some people just use just the hose itself, but I decided just to use the pressure washer because it actually takes out all the little knick-knack stuff that's like stuck on the fence. So let's try this out real quick and see how this works out. I just spray a little bit on it at a time, and I just let it sit for about 5 minutes. And it's actually amazing on how good this stuff works on just letting it just sit there for a little bit and not even doing nothing. So we're just going to do this one panel right here. I'll end up doing all these other panels, but this for like demonstration purposes. It only takes about 5 minutes. It took me about 10 minutes just to do those 3 panels, but between like 5 to 10 minutes for a good 3 panels. It'll only take probably like 3 minutes for this one. And it depends on how dirty it is too. So that's pretty much good. I'll spray this bad boy. You notice I said those little specks, they like get on there and you're just like stuck on your panel. Those are the hard ones to get out. That's why you need the pressure washer. It only took about 2 minutes just to do half that panel actually. Look at that. Panel's all clean. I mean, other than this, I gotta tack that up, that pillar, but it looks pretty damn good. I didn't think it was gonna even come out that fast, to be honest. I thought it was gonna take way longer, but it actually didn't. Well, that panel just took a total of 4 minutes just to do that. And I just got these to do. It's actually it was super quick. Let's just put it that way. Definitely check out this mold armor. It works really great. I actually got it from Amazon. I got a pair of them. Forgot how much it was, but not expensive either. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks.